Hello everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to use VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Okay, so as you can see, I have already written the table here, and this is the blank table where we are going to apply the VLOOKUP formula. So just write out down the formula equals to VLOOKUP open bracket, select the serial number here because we are going to enter the serial number here, comma, select the whole table, comma. Now you can see we want name. The name comes under the second column of the table. So let's write down 2, comma, and to get the exact value in the cell, write down 0. Close the bracket and enter. Now by just writing the serial number, you will get the name. Like if I write the serial number here 6, I get the name of Rahul. Right. To get the salary, we will be applying the same VLOOKUP formula, selecting the serial number, comma, selecting the whole table, comma. Now the salary comes under the fourth column of the table. So we will be writing 4 to get the exact value. We will be writing the 0. Bracket close. So as you can see, we have got the data of Rahul and the salary is 10,000. Right. So you can copy this formula in the below cells and you will be getting the results from this table by just entering the serial number. Okay, you can perform this operation in the another sheet also. Let me show you. Just write down the VLOOKUP formula here, open bracket, select the serial number cell, comma. Now select the sheet where the table is, select the whole table, comma. Now the name comma under second column of the table, right? Second, comma, to get the exact value 0, close the table. Now if by entering the serial number, you get the name. Similarly, for the designation, write the formula VLOOKUP, open bracket, select the serial number cell, comma, select the table from this sheet. Now, as you can see, the designation comes under the third column of the table. So write down 3 to get the exact value, write down 0. Close the bracket. Now you can see we got the designation. So this is how you can apply the VLOOKUP formula for your work. I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.